Vanakkam, now we are going to solve a problem from GATE ECE 2015 session 1 question paper. Okay. The question number is 46 and the question type is MCQ. So the question is the Boolean expression f equal to x bar y z bar plus x y bar z bar plus x y z bar and x y z converted into the canonical product of some forms. So they should be converted into POS form, that to canonical POS. So already it is in the form of canonical SOP and it should be converted into canonical POS. Okay. So what is the meaning of it? So we have three variables x, y, z. So here we have the function f of x comma y comma z. So the first term is x bar y z bar. So that should contain all the variables either in the primed or unprimed format. That is the meaning of this canonical. Plus the second term. What's the second term? X y bar z bar. So here also we have all the variables either in the primed or unprimed format. Okay. Third term, that is x y z bar. So that's also having all the three variables either in primed or unprimed format. The last one is x y z. Okay, so this is the meaning of canonical. So now we have to convert this canonical SOP into canonical POS. Okay, let's get started. So with the help of K-map we are going to achieve this, right? So it is a three variable K-map. So for each and every term we have a minterm, right? So first term is x bar y z bar. So that can be represented here as x bar. Okay, y is z bar means this one. So corresponding to that particular cell, that is the cell number 2, we have to place a 1. So x y bar z bar is the second term. So that corresponds to this x y bar z bar is here. Okay, so this fourth cell represents that particular minterm. So we have to place a 1 into that. Then we go for the third term. What's the third term? It is x y z bar, isn't it? So here it is x y z bar is here. So it corresponds to the sixth cell. So we place a 1 into that sixth cell. Last term is x y z. So for that x is here, y z is here. So we place a 1 into the seventh cell. Okay, so we have this minterms. Now we have to place zeros into the remaining cells in order to convert it into canonical POS. So the four cells are occupied by ones, that's the minterms, 2, 4, 6 and 7. So the remaining cells must be placed with the zeros. So for the zeroth cell, first cell and the third cell and finally the fifth cell we place zeros. So corresponding to the zeros we have to form the max terms. So the max term 1 is this available within the zeroth cells. Okay, so these two are covering. So it can be written as x plus y plus z. This is max term 1. Then we go for the second. This represents max term 2. So what it is, it covers these two, row wise and column wise. So it can be written as x plus y plus z dash. So how do you write? If you have x dash, it should be represented here as x. Here you have y dash, that should be represented as y. Then z should be represented as z dash. They must be combined using this plus sign. Okay. Then we go for the third zero. So third zero represents the third minterm. So third zero represents the third max term. Okay. So this is max term 3. So what it is, it corresponds to these two. So it must be written like x plus y dash plus z dash. Then we go for the last 0, the final 0. So that represents actually x and y dash z. Okay, so this is our max term 4. So that corresponds to x dash plus y plus z dash. That's it. So now we can combine all these. So for this we can write the answer. So our answer is in canonical POS form. So you have to combine all the max terms. Okay. So this is equal to max term 1. So it is x plus y plus z. And it with second term is x plus y plus z dash, it can be written as z bar because in the answer it is given as bar only. Okay. Then the max term 3 is x plus y bar plus z bar, and then max term 4 is x bar plus y plus z bar. So now we'll verify with the option. The option given and our answer x plus y plus z, it's okay. X plus y plus z bar, it's okay. Then x plus y bar plus z bar. Then last one is x bar plus y plus z bar. So the option A is the correct one. Thank you.